Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick run through on what I got finished this morning. I went ahead and on these arches, I planted cherry tomatoes on all of them to get them to climb. We are direct sowing tomatoes this year. I'm not going to try and start them in seed trays and deal with the transplanting and all of that crap. Do this once and forget about it. Make sure it's watered and stuff. So this first one, we've got Valencia from Johnny's. Black strawberry from Baker Creek over here. Over here, we have planted Sunrise Bumblebee from Baker Creek. This is one of my favorites. Only had a couple of them actually produce, but we'll see what it does here. Over on this one, Purple Bumblebee. As you can see, we went through a theme of buying all the bumblebees on Baker Creek at one time. And moving on through here. Surprise, surprise. Pink Bumblebee. Over here, this is White Cherry from Johnny's. We'll see how that one does. Over here, we've got a Bumble. Just kidding. We've got Real Common One, Super Sweet 100. I got this one from Haas. Over here, didn't have enough black cherry to fill this one, so I went ahead and planted Jubilee from M.I. Gardner. But that's where we're at for now. We'll see you soon. Hey everybody, welcome to the mess. It's raining a little today, but we've got a little bit of shelter, metal roof up there. So what we've got today, been soaking these sweet potatoes. I got 4 different sweet potatoes, different varieties. Hopefully you can hear me over that tin roof. But grocery store didn't classify these. This is a white sweet potato. This is a orange one. And got a Murasaki, which is a purple flesh or purple skin, white flesh variety. And then this is a, what does the tag say? This is a Stokes. So that is all purple on the inside. So I'm getting these ready. We won't be planting these until the carrots come out. But I want to get plenty of slips so that I'm ready to go. And that's all you got to do then. I'm going to do 3 pots here. I've also got some roselle that I've been soaking the seeds of. These are eventually going to actually go in our front yard. We are getting a ton of rain today. For some reason, we also have a red flag warning. It's kind of weird. Apparently, after this, it's going to dry out really bad. And the Blue Jays are not happy. Be right back. These are my roselle sprouts. As you can see, they've broken their shells. I'm going to get these in some dirt and get them growing. Planting about 5 or 6 to a pot. This is the only seed starting right here that I'm going to be doing this year. Everything else is going direct sow, and most of it has already been planted. So we're going to see what happens here. Really experimenting with direct sowing tomatoes. Just see what happens there. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.